Boys and girls, welcome again to our video series on percentages. We're going again through the 11 Plus Maths Guide, available in Amazon or livechangeyourtuition.com. So today we are going to do simple percentage calculations. So let's jump straight to the whiteboard. Okay, now in the book, the method they use is how to do percentages in your head. But I'm going to change it simply to make it much more easier. So this is what you have to do if you want to know what, say, 70% of something is. Say 7% of 40. All you got to do is put the 70. Remember, percent means out of 100. So all you got to do is put the 70 over 100, and then of means times, and 40, and put it over 1. And how do you times fractions? So fraction, you just times top by top and bottom by bottom. But don't forget you can simplify as well. So let's simplify these. So you've got a matching 0 here and here, cross off there. Got a matching 0 here and here. So if you've got a matching 0 top and bottom, you can cross those out. So it's really 7 times 4, which is 28. So that's the simplest way of doing this. Let's do some more examples. Let's say you got 45% of 80. So put it over 100, because percent means over 100. Of means times, and 80 over 1. 80 divided by 1 is 80. Cross off the matching zeros. Okay, and I think that's the only matching zero. So you do 45 times 8 divided by 10. So if we do that, 45 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 4 times 8 is 32. Add 4, 360. And then for 360 divided by 10, cross off the matching 0, and equals 36. That's it. So that's all you have to do. You can quickly we'll just go through something on the board. How to do on the book. What does the book turn? So the book talks about, which you don't have to know. You can just follow the method I just showed you. But just say if you want to do things in your head. Let's say if you want to do 60% of 80. Well, you know what? First of all, work out what 10% of 80 is, which equals 8. Because you know anything to find 10% of something, you have to divide by 10. And to get from here to here, times by 6. So you times the answer by 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. So that's what you can do in your head. Again, you don't have to do that. You can always do the method I showed you before. But let's do one more example. Let's say 80% of 40, which is this one here we're doing. Again, I'll work out what 10% of 40 is, which I can do in my head, which is 4. And then, because I can do that, to get to here, times by 8. So I times the answer by 8. So 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so that's the way to do things in your head. Otherwise, you can use the method I just showed you at the start of the video. So 80% means 80 over 100. Okay, and then of means times, 40 over 1. Simplify, cross off the matching 0, so you've got a matching 0 there, matching 0 there. You've got a matching 0 here, matching 0 here. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so if you're comfortable with doing this way, you don't have to do it in your head, just follow this one and you always get the right answer. Okay, we'll leave it there and we'll go on to the next video on percentages.